Hello friends, welcome to Talk with Shivi channel. Today we are presenting 10 lines on means of transport. Let's start the lines. Transport have a very important space in our life. Carrying products and goods from a factory to consumer, transport is absolutely necessary. There are several modes of transportation used in the world like land, air, water, railway, etc. Road transport is very common because of its short distances. Railway transport is also a very good method for transportation of goods because it is the cheapest mode of transport. Air transport is also used for long distance purposes like international exports and imports. Water transport is the oldest method of transport in India. It is used for heavy materials. The pipeline transport is used for oil and gas transportation between different places. An efficient transportation system can be a great help in improving the economic growth of a country. So friends, these are 10 lines on means of transport. I hope these are helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.